Hi friends, today I will discuss with you on relationship. When I say relationship, that doesn't mean only a romantic relationship. I'm talking about a relationship between your friends, your relatives, your subordinates, your business associate, with your customers, with your boss. Because we spend our most of the time with all these people. And if our relationship, our bonding with these people are not so good, then we struggle to accomplish a small task. While working in the organization, we may observe that sometimes we stretched ourselves. We put some extra effort, extra time to support someone. On the other hand, sometimes we stick to departmental SOPs, guidelines. Why there is a behavioral difference? Is there any attitude issue or something else? This is not just an attitude issue. This is because of your relationship, your bonding with that person drives you to take that extra effort. Friends, we all are a human being, and there is one thing common in all of us, that we all are having a strong emotions. Our emotions plays an important role in bonding our relationship. Hence, as a team player, as a leader, we need to respect emotions of each and every individual. While working, we come across with n number of people. Some are highly positive, some needs external motivation, some are always a problem oriented people, some come with solutions. To deal with all these kind of people, we need to understand them. For that, we need to invest time with them. Here I am awarefully using the word invest, because when you say spending, it gives a negative signal to your subconscious mind that to achieve something we need to spend something. But when you say invest, it gives a positive signal. It gives a clarity to your mind. So when you invest time with all these people, you will understand what are their liking, what are their disliking, what are their hobbies, what are their strengths, what are their weaknesses. Going further, give them such type of comfort that they can share their personal thing with you. For that, you need to be a good listener, because many times people come to you to just share, to discuss their problem. They did not want solutions from you, but they want to just express themselves and get relaxed. So for that, you need to be a good listener. Friends, to understand this, we will do one small exercise. Write down five people name to whom you have a daily contact and you have a strong bonding. On the other side, you write down the five people name to whom you have a daily work, daily contact, but you do not have a strong emotional bonding at present. Now you yourself analyze that to whom you have a strong bonding. You will find when you work with them, you will get the solutions fast. They always try to support you. You try to support them. So that way you can grow in a positive way. So while working in the organization, keep this in mind. Try to make as much as bonding with the people. So whenever you require, they will support you. So that's it for the day. Finally, I will just tell you that being a team player, because full form of the team itself says that together everyone achieve a meaningful. Thanks for watching. God bless you.